more on the latest stunning developments on this case, let's go to David Sarney, retired detective with the New York City Police Department and a professor at the John Jay Law Criminal Justice College. Thanks so much for joining us. Got to ask you about this blueprint where it appears that Rex Heuermann planned and took notes on each of his murders. It lists supplies to assemble, like rope, a saw, medical gloves, acid. It included guidance to remove the head and hands and be sure to wash the bodies. Have you ever seen anything like this?
In a fiction or a novel, yeah, but in real life, no. Who would expect something like this? But it looks like each time he committed a murder, he was trying to perfect the way to avoid detection. And this blueprint, and that's what it is, of a serial killer is stunning that it's from a real person who committed these crimes.
Yeah, it's hard to believe that he would sit down at his computer before, during, and after allegedly committing these murders and type all this out. He also wrote things like notes for next time. There's an actual column that says notes for next time. And in it, he says, hit victims harder and use thicker rope and even more ominously, increase playtime. What does that tell you about him?
That the defendant in this case had a plan. He knew, and I said it earlier, he's looking to perfect each action to make the next victim more compliant to what he's doing allegedly. And right now you have this person with really damaging evidence that puts him both with these bodies and now a blueprint of what he did with those bodies. This is, you know, the tenacity and the work done by the investigators now and in the past culminated from all the work that's been done now.
Yeah.
And you have to also give credit to
these two new charges today show that Rex Heuermann was allegedly killing women longer than we had previously thought, all the way back to 1993. Does that increase the odds there'll be more victims found and linked to him?
There's that possibility. When you're looking at these type of cases, you know, a person is deemed missing when someone's looking for them. And he tried to find individuals that nobody seemed to be wanting to look for. Sex workers has, you know, been that calling card, unfortunately, a calling card for a lot of these perpetrators who commit these crimes. They're looking for people who will not be looked for. And that's the thing. I'm going to think there's probably more, but we have to find those. And I guarantee you the detectives and the Suffolk County District Attorney's Office is not going to let this rest. They're going to try to do the best to make sure that, you know, we account for all the crimes that were allegedly committed by this person.
Well, I do know that these women did have families who loved them and cared about them, and in some cases were, in fact, looking for them and were in court today. And to think that they have been spending since 1993 in a state of not knowing what happened to their loved one is almost shocking. It's unimaginable.
You have to feel for them. And
yeah.
You're having a daughter. It's just, the problem is, you know, when you hear about closure and justice, it's not necessarily closure, but it's an understanding of what happened to them.
Yeah.
And you know, that's what we're looking for.
David Sarney, thank you for your insight. Appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.